What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Justin. We are here at Tilted Mash. They're gonna be the wonderful hosts for us today for this car meet in coordination with Hard Park and with Got Frenchie's. We do have a bunch of cars that are out. We're gonna take a look at everything and see if we can find some awesome builds. So let's go. Check out this Lexus here. Matchy matchy. Hey, that's cool. Got the little baby in the back right there. Got a little mustache and everything. That's dope. This is your car?
Yeah, both of them.
Oh, nice, man. I like the little baby in the back. Cool.
You got a TV built in the car seat too.
Oh shoot! Oh damn! Damn! Dude, that's cool, man. Yeah. That's cool, man. Pretty cool Buick. Skylark. This is a nice GT.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got a blower too. Oh, that's cool. A little centrifugal supercharger here. I think that's a Vortec.
Oh, really?
Very nice. Oh, I like these white rotiforms. Don't see very many white wheels on cars because they can't really pull it off very well, but this looks pretty good. I know, right? You got a little Rick over there. Come on, Aurelia, get a simulation. Check this out. It's a hot boy color. And I think this is actually paint. This doesn't look like a wrap. Well, I don't know, I can't tell. I think this is paint. It looks like paint. Cool. Got them chariot spikes. That was a clean CRV. That's very nice. We're gonna check out all the cars on the streets too, but we're gonna check out the main cars in the lot first. And then we'll go from there, so let's check it out. This is a clean Volvo. It's kind of got like this chameleon color going on. Nice little tuck fitment there. Got this Mercedes with rotiforms, very nice. Oh, check that out. Oh, this is a really nice Mercedes. It's got the over fenders. It's got the carbon fiber up front and the lip. It's definitely seen some action there. Love that engine cover, all white, very nice. Yeah, check out that fitment. Very nice indeed. Very clean CLA. I don't really like these cars that much, but this one is actually really nice. So there's a lowrider here. This is cool. Look how spacious it is inside. Like that's like, I feel like I could like just take a nap in the back seat. Very nice. This is very clean. Look at that, all chrome. Again, very spacious on the inside here. Yeah, no, it's a cool color, huh? Yeah, it's an old school Chevelle. Very cool. I don't know if it's paint or if it's a wrap. It's a wrap, but it's very clean. Looks a lot better than mine. Very nice M4. Ooh, look at that titanium piping in there. Very nice. S55, what's up? So this doesn't look like much, but these wagons are actually really hard to find now. And this one's kind of semi-slam. Yeah, man. Yeah.
You got an Instagram? Or?
No, I got YouTube. I'm just starting out, but I'm trying to make some videos of the car scene in Sacramento.
Okay, cool. What's your YouTube?
Send it to Redline.
Yeah, I saw you were filming my white car right over there.
Oh, yeah,
and
dude.
You went into the transition with the Eclipse.
Yeah, very clean, man.
Thanks, man.
So this is all original. What year is this, man?
92.
92.
Yeah.
92. All original. This is pretty much like OEM, guys.
We should it in stages. Like, this is the platform you start off with.
Right.
And then if you build it along, then you see the rest of the cars that we motor swap
Right.
and stuff. So.
It literally looks like it just came off the lot.
Literally, I know. It
Like-
smells like it.
He's like, oh man, it smells like the 90s in there. That is crazy.
Too.
So what's your story of how you got this car?
I got this car in the auction for about $300 about 2.5 years ago.
$300?
Yes, sir.
No way.
So just starting a build right now, just basically little by little.
Right.
Yeah.
Now it looks good, man.
Thanks,
it looks
man.
great.
Yeah.
It's like brand new.
Yeah, pretty much is like brand new. And the paint looks amazing. Looks pretty good
I
for its
got
age.
stage 3 nano ceramic all over the car,
Nice.
windows, everything. So
Dude, pretty much everything here looks good. I mean, this is easy. That's just an engine company. You just put a DHG thing
I
on
guess
there.
that is original.
Yeah, it's original. Yeah, right. It gives it character, right?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Nice, man. And your guys' name is Justin, dude.
TJ.
TJ, nice to meet
Also,
you.
Corey Coca.
Justin. Caden?
Caden, yes, sir.
Nice to meet you, Justin. What's it?
Abe.
Abe, nice to meet you, man. Awesome, guys. So you run the Accord Club here in
Yeah,
like,
NorCal Accords.
Nice.
Yeah, so we're here locally. You
Okay.
can find us at NorCal Accords Official.
Okay, cool. That's your Instagram page?
That's our Instagram
I'll
page,
tag
yeah.
you in the video.
Cool.
Cool. Nice, man. Well, I appreciate you guys showing me.
Yeah,
this is
absolutely, yeah,
some
thanks for
awesome
filming us.
stuff, man.
This kid's got a bright future too, man. He rebuilt this whole truck.
Really? What is this? Your truck right here?
Yeah.
No way. This right here?
Yeah.
Dude, this is clean, man. Oh, that's cool, man. I'm not super familiar with like Chevy motors, so is this considered like, is this like a big block, small block? Small. Is this a Chevy 350?
It's a 305.
A 305, okay. How long did it take you to put everything all together?
I got it from my grandpa in November 2019.
Nice.
I got it running March 2020.
Nice. How much work did you have to put into it to get it to where it's at right now?
So it was a whole lot of rust on the body, like the bottom.
Yeah.
Rockers. Did all the body work.
Yeah.
Engine was pulled. Was all redone.
And was the paint, is this repainted?
It's
resprayed?
repainted.
Repainted. Looks good, man.
Thank you.
Looks great.
And then that's the rust I pulled from the rock.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so you went very far with this.
Yeah.
Very nice,
Awesome.
man.
Thank you.
If you don't mind me asking, how old are you?
I'm 16.
16.
Turning
And
17 in
and you
April.
pretty much resto modded this car.
Yeah.
Very nice, man.
Thank you.
He's done more in 16 years than I have in my in the last 10 of me being in my car career. Cool, man. Very nice.
And Chase.
Justin, man, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man. Oh, this is cool too. Wow, look at that. That's so cool. It's crazy to think like two people used to fit in like this size of a car, you know? Like that's considered the bench back then.
Yeah. That and a baby.
Yeah, that and a baby. You hold the baby in your lap.
You hope
Very
for the
nice,
best.
very cool car. What year is this?
34.
It's a 34
Chevy.
Chevy. Awesome, man. How long have you owned this car for?
Last April.
Last April. Cool. Was it already restored when you purchased it?
Yeah. Well,
Nice.
it had a frame off in '74,
Uh-huh.
and then it sat on a showroom floor for 15 years.
Wow. Yeah, it amazes me like how much more room we have nowadays. Like that was spacious back then.
Wow.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Him and I are in there and
Yeah.
we're banging shoulders.
Like shoulder to shoulder, right?
But back then,
Don't
people
move.
were smaller.
No, you're right. You're right about that.
No,
You
yeah,
know.
yeah.
So I mean, for the time, I mean, this is wonderful. That's awesome. Very nice car, guys.
Thank you.
Awesome,
Thank you.
awesome. Check out this. This is all JDM. This is imported from Japan. They don't sell these here. These are the vans you'll see like in the Philippines. Straight up, man. Straight up. This is yours?
Yeah, this is my
Nice,
mom's
man.
street. That's why I do. I import cars from there.
Oh, nice, man. This is awesome. So you import cars?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Parts too, like containers, scooters, the whole
Got
shot.
it. How long have you been importing?
I've been doing the import stuff probably the last like 4 years, but the whole entire doing it probably over a decade.
Nice. Yeah, I've always been interested in importing cars and all that stuff. Like, do you specialize in particular imports, or is it just
anything.
pretty much anything? So it can be like Evos, GTRs.
Evos, yeah, I brought over. I had an Evo 3, like R32s. I brought over.
Yeah.
Everything.
Bonsai imports. Bonsai imports. Here, I'll get you, man. All right. So if you guys need any import needs, give them a follow. It was a pleasure to meet you, man. I'm Justin. I'm just starting off on YouTube, so yes. This is Fontaine Dotson. VIP stop. So as you guys can see, we've got a bunch of different cars, different kind of builds, saw some cool Accords, some old school Chevy classics, and we still got a bunch of more cars to see, so let's keep walking. Oh my God, and so many more puppies. So many puppies. Ooh, check this out. I like this peach color. And we've seen this 3000 GT before, very clean indeed. It's nice to see it back out.
I used to think these were really nice when I was a kid.
Right? No, they're still cool. I still think it's cool. I met him at the last meet that we went to at Cars and Coffee. A really cool guy. Oh, these are the Broncos, man. Every time I see the Stingray, I just think about like Rush Hour.
I'm gonna kick your ass.
Very nice, very nice. I like these little micro JDM trucks. Oh, I miss my Cobalt. This is a Cobalt SS. These are like the supercharged, turbocharged ones. RIP to my Cobalt. I want to be him right now. Oh, hi.
Gave you all my kisses.
Hi. Thank you. Hi. Hi, little one. Oh. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Once again, that was a car meet hosted here at Tilted Mash in conjunction with Hard Park and Got Frenchie's. A lot of people out there, you got a good crowd. My favorite things, cars, beers, and dogs. So if you guys like this video, hit that like button. If you guys want to subscribe, feel free to do so. More content like this to come. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Remember, respect your elders. Peace.